Today I'm going to talk about a, magical drug. The drug is considered to be magical, especially people looking for aging benefits. And they call it this drug can save them. This drug can make them young, and this drug is considered to be a magical drug. So what this drug does to your body, and if you take this drug, what will happen to your body, and what may wrong can happen to your body. So I'm telling you everything about this drug today. This drug is called NMN supplementation because normally this is non-FDA approved drug, still available in the market for uh, as a supplement. So this NMN is also naturally um, present in your body, and, and actually this drug use NAD plus to, which is a critical enzyme, a coenzyme involved in the energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cellular health. So with the passage of age, the NAD plus declines with the age. So we need additional supplements to increase its levels so the energy can be restored in the body. And there are some uh, foods, vegetables can give you the NMN as well, especially the broccoli can also give you a boost in NMN level. So, but there are some concerns. I personally did a lot of research on it. I did a lot of experiments on it. I used it for allergies as well, anaphylactic shock, and also many other uh, disorders, especially the gastrointestinal disorders. So let's talk about the benefits. What are the benefits of this drug? The first, as I told, it's good for NAD level, increasing NAD level in your blood, and which maybe improve a little bit of metabolism, also decline a little bit of aging, maybe the energy, more energy, and less aging. And there are some clinical trials, maybe clinical studies that show that this drug can enhance the physical performance, especially the where you are involved in the aerobic activities such as walking, it's also like running, and it has a good muscular performance in the and older adults, and also the trained runners. And in also this drug increase the insulin sensitivity. So people, those who are suffering from the diabetic disorders, they can take this as a supplement, which can increase their insulin level, sorry, insulin sensitivities, and so they may have less diabetic problems. So also, as I told, because of the muscular performance, muscular physical strengthening, so it improved the walking and speed mobility in older people, or maybe older patients. So there is a study showing that 12-week supplementation increase or maintain the walking speed or uh, mobility in the older patients. And also it's a very good marker for it could be an anti-aging drug, you can say, or anti-aging drug, whatever, just for fun. So this drug there is a study in a middle-aged adult, they're showing that those who were taking this drug, they have a longer telomere length than those who didn't take. But still, it requires a lot of further validation. So while just only telomere length can tell you this drug can lower the aging, maybe slower the aging. So also it provides the sleeping benefits, those who are struggling with sleeping because of restoring the muscular strength and also the neurological strength. So this drug can enhance the sleeping ability. So there are also studies showing that it increased the cognitive effects, but and also cardiovascular health, and but there is limited data, So, but I did some work uh, on the cardiovascular. It shows improvement in the cardiovascular movement. I did some research on it. I used this drug for actually in the mice, not in the human being. And also, I use this drug for recovering anaphylactic shock and also allergies, and I found a very nice results. And also, the people having some gastritic problem, gastrointestinal metaplasia. So this drug shows very, very good results in reversing the metaplasia condition. So, but still, we don't have enough evidence. So we only did these experiments on the gastric organoids or the mice. So there is no human study so far, no human trial. So what could be the side effects of using this drug? So at the moment, the people who were using this drug daily, between the 900 mg to 1200 mg per day, they didn't show any serious side effects, just a few side effects like a nausea, digestive discomfort, and headache, maybe like a headache-like sensation, not the real headache. And also they got like respiratory problems. So, but these side effects are reported in the short-term studies or short-term users, but 12 weeks is not enough time. So those who we don't have a data for long using of this drug. So, but what could be seriously bad if you use this drug? What could be seriously bad? We don't know because I personally tried this drug on the cancer cell and in the lab in vitro conditions, and we find a boost in the cell development, like cells grow like massively, cancer cell grow like massively. So also we give it to the mice like a xenograft mice, and we see those who are having not taking the NMN. Those who were taking NMN, they had a bigger tumor size than those who were not taking. So if you don't have any conditions like a cancer-like conditions or tumors growing in your body, then it is safe to eat. Maybe you can eat up to certain. You can discuss with your doctor, but especially if you are having any kind of tumors in the body. We don't know what I mean to say. Sometimes we don't know people they are having some kind of a tumor in the body. We don't know, maybe in a thyroid or anywhere else. So maybe if they take this NMN, so maybe it will enhance the tumor growth. So be careful if you're taking NMN. Maybe first you should have you check ultrasound, especially for your vital organs. If there is no any kind of the tumors growing, then better you can take it. But maybe you can take it to like not daily. You can take it to the alternative days. Maybe it will work. But my suggestion, if you have any condition like tumors, especially, no matter benign or cancerous, well, though we have this patient now, mice with metaplasia and gastritis, and also the allergy, like especially the severe form of allergy, uh, we treated the mice, and we saw a significant recovery. Even though we see the tissues like regeneration was very good, so they like recover completely, almost the same like normal. So I mean, it could be a magical drug, but ca- could be a could be a nightmare for those who have cancers. But we don't know because there is no real scientific data so far we have on it, like a human-based data. But we do have the cell-based study, so it's still risky to take when you have these tumors growing in the body. But I would recommend, if you're in a middle age or like or maybe in your 50s, you wanna delay your aging, you have it checked your tumors. If you have any tumors in the body, then you take it. But keep eyes on the tumor size. If the tumor size is increasing massively, stop this drug immediately. Don't take it. And you can take, or maybe you can reduce, because we don't have the statistics that what is the best uh, possible uh, dose for those like in the different age groups, So just like 900 to 1200 is not FDA approved, but it's just the people who are taking it. So I hope you like my today's video. So please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you want to know more about this drug or any other drug, or if you are interested in any kind of disease, I would explain. And also if you have some kind of, if you're a researcher, especially students, if you have any problems in your research, especially a scientific research like related to medical, feel free to leave a message or send me email. I will try to um, troubleshoot your problems. I will give you some advice, suggestions for your experiments, for your research and clinical trials, whatever. But please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.